Welcome to Math is Glowing. I am Ishtiyaq Ahmed, and in this video we will learn about fraction, types of fraction, and addition of fraction, multiplication of fraction, division of fraction, and in the last multiplication and division of a fraction by a number. So let's start. Watch this video till end to understand all about fractions. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video. So let's start. We take an example of fraction to understand it. This is 3 over 4. In this fraction, 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Again, 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. If numerator is smaller than denominator, then this type of fraction is called proper fraction. So 3 over 4 is proper fraction, and if numerator is greater than denominator, then this fraction will be called improper fraction. So 3 by 4 is proper fraction and 4 by 3 is improper fraction. Now if we have two fractions, one is 3 by 4 and another is 1 by 4, you can see that these two fractions have same denominator, and the fractions that have same denominator are called like fractions, and the fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. So you can see that if we have 3 by 4 one fraction and other is 1 over 3, these fractions will be unlike fractions. So after studying about these types, we learn how to add and subtract and divide, multiply these fractions. So we started. Consider we have two fractions, 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. These are like fractions and we are going to add like fractions. For like fractions, we take a new line and we take denominator once. Now write the numerator of both fractions as it is. Now add these. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 4. This is answer. And now 3 by 5 and 1 by 3 are two fractions. These are unlike fractions and we are going to add now. To add unlike fractions, we have two methods. One method is to find LCM and other method is to equalize their denominator. We can find LCM in this way: 5, 3 divided by 3. Divided by 3, 5 as it is, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 5, 1 and 1. Now multiply these 3 and these 5. This gives us 15. Now this 15 is divided by this 5. 15 divided by 5 gives 3. Now 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now 15 divided by 3 gives 5, and this 5 will be multiplied by this 1. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 by 15. In this way we can add unlike fractions. Now we are going to subtract like and unlike fractions. We take an example, 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. We are going to subtract. So subtraction. These are like fractions, so we take a same denominator and write their numerator as it is. 3 minus 2 gives 1 by 7. And now we subtract unlike fractions. 5 by 9 and 4 by 8. To subtract these unlike fractions, we have to find their LCM, and we find LCM divided by 2, 9 as it is, 4, again 2, 9 as it is, 2, again 2, 9 as it is, 1, divided by 3, 3 and 1, and now again divided by 3 into 1, 1. Now multiply 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24, 24 into 3, 72. Now divided this 72 by 9. This gives 8. 8 multiplied by 5. 40 minus. Divide 72 by 8, and this gives 9. 9 multiplied by 4. This gives 36. And 40 minus 36 over 72. This gives 4 by 72. Now we are going to multiply two fractions. Multiplication of two fractions is so easy. We take an example, 1 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 4. To multiply two fractions, we have to multiply numerator of both fractions, and we have to multiply denominator of both fractions. As you can see, 1 into 3 by 7 into 4. This gives 3. 7 into 4, 28. And now we are going to multiply. Now we are going to divide two fractions. We have two fractions, 7 by 4 and other is 1 by 5. To divide two fractions, we have to change this sign of division into multiplication. To change this sign of division into multiplication, we have to reverse the second fraction. As now this fraction is 1 by 5, after reversing this fraction, this will becomes 5 by 1. 7 by 4 multiply by 5 by 1. This shows that if we change this division into multiplication, we have to reverse this fraction. Mean we have to reverse second fraction. Now This is multiplication, and we have to multiply numerator and we have to multiply denominator. 7 into 5 35 by 4 into 1 4. This is the answer. And now we are going to multiply a fraction by a number. 3 by 8 and multiply by 4. We can multiply this number by a fraction in two ways. First way is direct multiply. In this first method we have to multiply numerator and number. 3 into 4 is 12 by 8. And other method is to change this number into fraction. We can change every number into fraction by giving 1 in its denominator. Now we have to multiply numerator each fraction and we have to multiply denominator of each fractions. These both ways are same. Now we are going to divide a number and fraction. 3 by 4 divided by 2. To divide this fraction by a number, we have to change this number into fraction. And now we have to change this division into multiplication. As you know, some moments ago we have changed into multiplication and reverse the second fraction. 2 by 1 will be changed into 1 by 2. And now multiply numerator. 3 into 1 3 and 4 into 2 8. 3 by 8. Today we have learned all about fraction. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get latest notification from our channel.